Okay, guys, the fourth video for the day. Your cure for isolationism is here. Remember a few days ago we talked about a woman who coughed over $35,000 worth of groceries at a store and claimed that she had beer bug and caused the shopping centre to throw out said $35,000 worth of stock. It was fresh produce, meat, bread. There was a whole bunch of things. And they were possibly going to be charging her with that word that we can't even say on YouTube anymore. Yeah, they're going to go charging her with that because it's an act of that. Well, at the end of the day, we actually have a bit of an update on this. So obviously the woman charged with coughing on $35,000 worth of project at grocery store. So she's been charged. Here's a photo of here. Now, obviously, they did say in the story that she has had a run-in with the police in the past. It was a little bit exaggerated, but we'll give it to them. Now, obviously, it's not just the stock that's obviously cost the store as well. They've also had to have staff come in and clean up. They've had to send staff home for the day. It's a huge thing. So the $35,000 worth of stock literally is just that. It's just the stock. Well, the woman who had been coughed on $35,000 worth of stock was charged with 4 felonies. Yes, the next time someone wants to go through and do this, you might want to think twice because she's been charged with 4 felonies and 2 misdemeanors. They are really throwing the book at this woman, who, mind you, is in her 30s and should know better. But regardless, a woman who played a twisted prank at Pennsylvania grocery store on Wednesday by purposely coughing on about $35,000 worth of food had been food that had to be thrown out, was charged with 4 felonies, including counts of something threats, which we can't say on YouTube. Police said, "Today was a very challenging day," Joe wrote on the Facebook of the page of the supermarket chain. A woman who the police had known to be a chronic problem, and that a bit over exaggerated, but anyway, and the community walked into our chain handover township store and proceeded to purposely cough on our fresh produce and a small selection of bakery, meat, and groceries. Now, like I said, she was arrested and charged with 2 felony counts of something or other, 1 account of using a biological agent, and 1 account of criminal mischief. She's also faced misdemeanor counts for a criminal attempt to commit retail theft and disorderly conduct. Now, I did actually try and bring up the dockets myself because I actually wanted to see them myself, and I'll just refresh this page now, and I get this, right? So we can't use this to actually go through and to see the video, but Lawful Mess, and I will put a link in the description below, has actually gone through and managed to break these down before the website went offline. So I'm going to link to his video, and obviously I'm not going to use his content except for this screenshot here, because this is where he goes through and he breaks down. So she's been charged with a grade 3 felony for threats causing evacuation of a building. She's been charged with felony 3 terrorist threats causing serious public inconvenience. She's been charged with a felony 2, which is threats predominant of a something or other, which I can't say on YouTube. She's also been charged with a felony 3 criminal mischief, damaged property, and then she has the 2 misdemeanors, retail theft. And she's also been charged with disorderly conduct, hazardous physicals. Now, they claim that she was known to police, which is somewhat true. Down here, you can see that she was misdemeanor 3 for theft by deception of false impression, and also a misdemeanor 3 for receiving stolen property. And she also had this one down here. Sorry, that was it. That was the 2 things. So she's only been known to police or been charged once before. So going on about her being a serial pest and stuff like that to police, I think that's a bit of wordplay. Maybe, I don't know. But this was seen as closed. Now, obviously, this was obviously just the arraignment, a preliminary arraignment. And when you go down here, he actually looks. She's been advised to her rights. Yes. Public defender, no. Application provided for appointment of public defender, no. Has the defendant been fingerprinted? No. So they've just locked her up, right? And she is still unable to post bail in the county jail. So she's just sitting in a cell right now. Now, obviously, at the end of the day, like he says in this video, she can obviously go through and get the whole public defender thing later. At the moment, they're just sort of locking her up. Her next hearing is the 8th of the 4th at 8:30 a.m. So it's like 8 days away. And that's just the preliminary hearing. So we'll go from there. But that's the name there, Margaret Kruko, whatever. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's interesting how the media is handling this, considering she's a white woman. I imagine if she was a minority woman, the media wouldn't be touching it. But, hey, at the end of the day, I suppose at least they're covering something, I suppose. But guys, yeah, just a very quick update as to what's happening. I will leave a link in the comment below, talking about Lawful Mess's video, so that you can obviously go and check it out. He does break down the whole situation. I sort of got about halfway through it and then realized it was like getting towards 6 o'clock, so I had to go make my own videos. So I want to finish watching it, but at the end of the day, I don't know what sort of time she's looking at, but misdemeanors are nothing, but the felonies, oof, that's serious. So we'll see what happens. But guys, yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below regarding this. Do you think she's going to get 5, 10, 15, 20 years? Whatever it may be. Let me know what your thoughts are in that comment section below. If this video has been helpful, please smack that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe. Apart from that, guys, enjoy the 4 videos for the day. And we'll see you guys in the next demonetized videos from YouTube tomorrow. I'm going to go and play on Twitch and stream some Subnautica. So if you want to see me scream like a girl while being attacked by sea monsters, go and give me a follow. Apart from that, guys, have a great night, enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao!